I'd give my all to have you.
Gago!
Police steady watching me. Every day they clocking me. Red alert, I'm the dangerous. I keep that clock on me. And they ain't looking for no trouble. I'm just looking out for me. Cause I done did shit the niggas ain't talking about no rapping beat. Boy, I'm talking tragedy. Masking, casualties. Shit that I can't even remember. Bet they remember me. Shit that happened later December. I bring that winter heat. Niggas down the whole October. The real Halloween. Back to back funerals. It's them or us. It's him or me. Don't get booked cause ain't no bum money. We doing this shit for free. If he told, then it ain't my homie. That little nigga weak. If I miss, ain't going to sleep. I'm in the streets. We play for keeps. 2011, August 11. R.I.P.O.D. August 9th, 2 days before. I turned 17, 21 to 45. I'm like, what the fuck that mean? You fighting an armed robbery, shorty. That's what they offering. My little bro.
I'd give my all to have you.
Titig ni Jack o titig ni David? That's what I'm after.
I'm sorry, what?
Titig ni Jack o titig ni David?
Oh my God. I think we shouldn't compare, Tito Boy.
Yeah, come
Gago!
Jack B is over. Kinumpirma mismo ni Barbie Fortesa na hiwalay na sila ng kanyang longtime boyfriend na si Jack Roberto.
Oh, binibining may sumama. You turn my limbics into a bouquet. Kamay tila sining sa museyong di naluluma.
Hello, Janela. Sobrang idol kita.
Gotta give you like an accouché all my life.
Gago!
Totropahe o Jojowayan?
Oh?
Easy. Uy, bakit Jojowa?
Hindi ko alam kung paano sabihin. Kaya ako kami nawala ng apelido sa isa't isa kasi hindi ko alam kung may nasabi ba ako. Hindi ko alam kung paano sasabihin. Hindi ko alam kung may nasabi ba ako. Sorry guys.
What you gonna do with that dessert?
Hot shot, running in my non-stop real plot, whiskey in the teapot, essence, burning like a 90 bright heavenly body. Only music can define you and it sounds like
Gago!
Wala talaga. Sorry Kasi parang ever since nag-pick up ang Barda, sumikat ang Barda, it has always been a question kung nagsiselos ba. Hindi nga. So can we stop? Parang napapagod na akong sumagot. Hindi ko na alam kung paano paibahin yung wording, di ba? Parang iba naman sa video na to, iba naman sa video na to. Kasi parang laging yun yung tanong. Wala nga at all. Siguro, yung assurance na tinatanong niya sa akin sa set is kung nakakakain ba ako, kung hindi ba ako natutuyuan ng pawis, kung yung ganun, mas yung care. Yung serious, wala talaga. Diyos ko, parehas kaming aktor. Alam na namin yan.
Pero paano sabi rin ni Jack?
Putang na mo! Hayop ka! Bullshit ka! Shit! Go! Adik!
Pwede ko tayo dyan? Baka pwede dyan, no? Speedy. Pag-baby pala yun.
Gago!
Made you think that I would always learn. I said some things that I should never say. Yeah, I broke your heart like someone did to mine. And now you won't love me for a second time.
She sucking on dick, no hands with it. I just made the rolling plane like a landing strip. I'm a 2020 president candidate. I I done put 100 bands on Zimmerman shit. I been moving real gangster, so that's why she pick a crit. Shawty call me Crispo, cause I pop my shit. Got that.
I'd give my all to have one more night with you and my life to feel.
Gago!
Huy, pwede pa tayo maglaro? Sige, habulan na. Maiba na siya.
Gago!
Hello guys. Sa mga nagtatanong ho ng update sa amin ni Barbie, siguro napapansin nyo, hindi kami masyadong nagpo-post sa Instagram, sa social media, tungkol sa aming dalawa. Hindi ko alam kung paano sabihin. Kaya ako kami nawala ng update sa isa't isa kasi hindi ko alam kung may nasabi ba ako. Sorry guys.
Oh my God! Oh, I did it! Ah! I did it! Oh God! Yes! Yes! Ah! I did it! Ah! Yeah! Oh God! Oh, it feels so good!
Sometimes may mga yung pakiramdam mo na iba yung pakiramdam ko eh. Like, Sunday ng gabi, natulog ako, nanaginip ako. Yung panaginip ko talagang iba. Nasa itaas daw ako ng building, tinitingnan ko yung parang...
Gago!
Gusto mo, hindi mo mapipigil yun. At alam mo yun, sa kanya ka pa uuwi pagtapos lumuhod ng ganon. Ikaw ka sa'kin
Kung halimbawa si Barbie is single, liligawan mo siya, huwag mo muna sasagutin. Barbie, halimbawa lang, walang Jack sa buhay mo. Sasagutin mo ba pag niligawan ka ni David?
Pag nalaman ko kung paano siya manligaw, maybe I'll have an answer then. But now we're really good friends.
Importante
So,
yun, no? You always talk about your family.
yeah.
Okay, liligawan mo siya.
You know, Tito Bear, like, smart, mga go-getter na babae.
So no.
And I think...
And you like cute girls.
Yeah, cute girls. Simple lang.
Right.
So...
Is it a yes or no?
Hindi na sinagot mo kung yes or no.
Yes or no nga?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Gago!
Masarap ang ginagawa ni Ferdinand sa'yo. Hindi naman masarap ang ginagawa ko sa'yo. Ay, hindi naman katirik mata. Gaunat gitang liig mga paa.
Grabe. Opo.
Ay, kaya nga lumakas ako eh. Kulang pa nga eh. Punuin ko yung tangki mo.
Love you.
Dapat nagdala ka pa ng pulbo eh.
May pulbo naman ako nung time na yun eh.
Ba't di ka nagpulbo? Himod-himodin ko pa sana ay
himod-himudin ko pa sana. Hindi ka nagpulbo. Ha? Basta, pag umuwi ka dito.
Napapati daw ako, pero ang garap, hindi ko makalimutan. Bakit sino ba nga ayaw?
Nung unang labas, ano pakiramdam mo? Awas, no?
Oo.
Ramdam mo? Kalat sa banig ay. Marami na namang buko itong kinuan. Tak.
Natandaan mo din talaga ako. Marami yung... Utang na mo! Harap ka! Busit ka! Yes! Go! Adik!
Please look into the camera. Smile.
What the hell?
Gago!
お金稼ぐ俺らはスターお金稼ぐ私はスタースタースタースタースターキラキラ私はスター
Gago!